Hey everyone, Justin Yarbrough with Weichert Realtors SPM. Today I want to show you 4 acres of prime commercial real estate located at the corner of Highway 51 and Veterans Parkway. This grand location is seconds from Wal-Mart and Lowe's, surrounded by nationwide food chains, hotels, and shopping centers. This particular commercial area is growing rapidly northbound. On this commercial land sits a 9,000 square foot building that can remain with the property or it can be removed based on the buyer's needs. This property also comes with an option to buy another 760 foot of road frontage on Veterans Parkway. If you would like more information on this property, please give me a call at 901-258-6765.